Wanna vibe, 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 vibe with you. We gon' fly, fly, fly to the moon. Live a life, 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 life with you. Got no worries, we just wanna live good. Got me floating in the space. Ain't nobody standing in my way. Got a ship in my head. It's taking me away. I got it high, I'm feeling alive. Spin it around, I'm getting it right. Yeah, you can run, but no, you can hide. The music will find a way to get you high. Let's ride. We keep it coming, yeah. Keep on flowing like it's water, yeah. Get you high like it's summer, yeah. Lay back on the beach, yeah. See the world do a song dance. Take your time trying to make it last. Only got one life, gotta make it count. You don't waste time, man. Wanna vibe, 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 vibe with you. We gon' fly, fly, fly to the moon. Live a life, 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 life with you. Got no worries, we just wanna live good. Got me floating in the space. Ain't nobody standing in my way. Got a ship in my head. It's taking me away. Got me floating in the space, Ain't nobody standing in my way, Yeah. Got a ship in my head, It's taking me away, Hey.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Got the new LT5. That bitch got the new 8-speed transmission. No money spared. Crate motor, full warranty. This is what Rod Wade putting in his car. GM Performance transmission. Top of the line shit. All wiring brought through the bottom. Look at that. This thing gonna be beautiful when it's done. We gonna have that in today.